this is my starting row. I just did the first row for us, so I didn't have to work into the chain because I don't really like working into chains. But let me show you how to do an extended stitch. All an extended stitch is one chain higher than the regular stitch. So you go into, I'm doing extended single crochets. You work into the stitch and you pull your yarn up. Now instead of just yarning over and pulling through two, you yarn over and pull through one, you're making a chain. And then you finish your stitch. Let me do that again. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull it through the stitch. Then you yarn over and pull through one loop on your hook. And then you yarn over and pull through both. You finish your stitch. Let's try it again. Yarn over, pull through, then make your chain. That's the same thing as saying yarn over and pull through one loop, and then yarn over and pull through two loops or finish your single crochet. Let's finish the row and then I'll show you what the stitch looks like. So you're going to insert your hook and pull a loop up, yarn over and pull through one loop, then yarn over and pull through both loops. The nice thing about extended stitches is that they can be used in your work to make taller rows. Lots of times you can get the width gauge right. I'm pulling up, I'm making a chain, and then I'm finishing the stitches. But you can't get the row height correct. So if you use extended stitches, they don't look that much different than a regular stitch, but they increase the height of the row. And we'll show you that. Pull up one, make a chain to extend the stitch, and then finish your single crochet. We've got one more to do. Insert your hook, pull it up, and finish your stitch. So if I was going to look at the stitch, let me just show you this. You can see right at the bottom of the stitch, right here, there's a little chain. That's the chain that we made at the bottom of each stitch.